My dear audience, do you dream of better life? Like having a good physique, being liked by tons of girls, being successful. Are you dreaming those things? Your dreams will stay dreams if you don't change what you do every day. Your dreams will just stay dreams. Yeah. Don't feel bad. Face the reality. Face the reality. I said it before as well. Every choice you make today determines your tomorrow. Let's suppose you replaced one bad habit with a good habit. Imagine if you do that for many days, many months. Your dreams will not be that far. You'll start visualizing. You will start manifesting it instead of dreaming the dream. Nothing is stopping you, okay? Don't make excuses are for losers. And if you fall in that category, then I'm sorry. I feel sorry for you. I feel sorry for you. Start changing your habits and move closer to the dream.